How's it going, everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to create a mailing list feature. A mailing list feature is a great way to collect contact information from your app users so that updates and special offers can be communicated easily and effectively. Paired with push notifications, this tab can help make sure you and your users get the most out of your app. So, adding this feature is very, very simple. The first thing you're going to want to do is head over to the build section. When you head over to the build section, click Add Feature in the top left corner. Scroll down and you will see the mailing list tab available, and you can call it mailing list or something like newsletter or even join newsletter, and add that into your mobile application, and it's now instantly activated in your mobile app. Now scroll to the bottom, and another cool thing is if you want this to be further up in your mobile application, you can scroll with our drag and drop ability to maybe have this feature further up in the top, but I'm going to go ahead and give it an icon. And we have a ton of icons to select from, but for this example, I'll just use these check marks. Good enough. And a really cool feature that we have for our email feature is you can prompt users when they first launch the mobile application to ask them for their email. So if you want to prompt users, you can have something that says, sign up for our mailing list to get exclusive updates, special offers, and more. And that's very powerful. Let them know that if they give you their email address, they're going to get something out of it. And so from here, what you can also do is you can add an icon to this feature. So when they view it, it's going to show an icon of the business that you're working with. So in this example, I would recommend grabbing, let's just say maybe a newsletter image. Doesn't have to be anything too fancy. This one's pretty bad. Let's try this one right here. Or let's try newsletter icon. So you can get a smaller size image. This one looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. Go back to the app builder and upload. Again, you can select from our icons, which are simple shapes, textures, but for a newsletter, you probably want to upload your own image. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this image that I had just found off Google. And pretty much from there, you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and select Save. And your newsletter is completely enabled within your mobile application. And other things that you can do is you can add in subscriptions. So if people only want to get updates on specials or let's say event updates, they can choose basically what they want to be updated on. So the list of things you can really add here are endless. But another good one is, let's say maybe discounts, or maybe just general news. And so now they can select which kind of updates they want to see within your newsletter that you send out. So I'm going to hit save, and that's going to instantly activate this within the mobile application. And another thing that you can do is you can connect this email form, or excuse me, your mailing list to a number of different email service providers. So if you use MailChimp or iContact or Constant Contact, if you're entering your API key and your list ID, anyone that enters in their email address will be automatically sent to your MailChimp list. So you don't have to worry about exporting the contacts, then manually uploading them into the email service provider that you use, making it a really seamless way to get more emails to your newsletter. So if you want to grow your newsletter, this is a great feature to add into your mobile application. And it's really easy to set up. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks, everybody.